Go. Okay, welcome back, folks. We are looking at exercise 2 from the basic skills book. A lot of students know that as the Apple book, cancelling and simplifying ratios. This is the one where we have different units in the question. So for example, you'll see here, it's not labeled question 1, 2, 3, 4. I selected certain questions from the exercise, the ones which had different units in them. So that's why you see them numbered in the way that they are numbered. Them are the actual question numbers. So let's have a look at this first one now. 500 centimeters and 1 kilometer. Let's have Madam Minal, please. Can you come and join me on this question? Now, in the previous exercise, we were cancelling and we had no problem in cancelling straight away. But in this particular question, I want you to put to our attention what you see happening in the highlighted area here. What's happening? They are different what?
Measurements.
Different measurements, 1 centimeter, 1 kilometer. So you can't cancel nothing until the measurements are the
same.
The same. You got to make them the same. So you got to make centimeters. So what could we change the centimeters and kilometers to make it the same?
Meters.
Yes. I like the answer. Okie dokie. Right. So we change them both into meters.
5 meters and 1,000 meters.
So how do we do that for the first one?
You have to divide by 100.
And what do we do for the second one?
Times by 1,000.
Okay, so you have to know your conversions between centimeters and meters, kilometers and meters. You got to know all those conversions. I'll write them down for you as well a bit on the side. Give me one moment. So 500 divided by 100 is 5 meters.
5
and 1 time by 1,000 is
1,000.
1,000. Now, can you cancel for me now?
Yeah.
What can you divide them both by?
5.
Okay, what will that give us?
That would give us 5 and 250. Well, 1 and 250.
Okay, are you sure it'll give you 250, not 200?
No, 200.
Yeah, okay, no problem. So we can write down here 1. Okay, the ratio of 1 to 200. Okay, I mean, I know we got different units in the beginning. You can put units on this question, but they're not really required. If you look at the answers as well in the back of the book, for this one, they just give you the units, they give you the answer just like this. So we don't need to get ourselves too excited by the units for this particular question. Okay, that was centimeters and kilometers. Let's have a look at a different type of question. So Minal, how would you do number 10 now? So now we talk about pence and pounds. So what would you do here? What would you change them both into?
Pence.
So that one just stays the same. There's no conversion for the first one, just gets copied down.
The next one is 100.
Because you have to times it by?
100.
So 1 pound times by 100, because there's 100 pence in the pound. So that gives you this. Now what can we cancel it by?
5.
Or we can cancel it by?
25.
25. So 25 divided by 25 is 1. 75 divided by 25 is 3. So this is called cancelling. Divide that by 25, divide that by 25.
4.
So the answer is, the final answer is?
3:4 ratio.
3:4. So you have to choose a unit that you're going to make them both into, and you don't want to end up with the decimals and the units. The whole point is that the numbers become easier to do rather than more difficult to do. So we've done kilometers and centimeters into meters, pence and pounds into pence. Okay, let's choose, okay, got pence, pounds. Oh, we got millimeters. Okay, we even got hours and minutes and stuff. Whoa. Okay, what about this one here? I mean, 5.5 centimeters and millimeters. What should we change them both into?
Millimeters.
Fantastic. So we times that by 10. So that gives you 55. And that one you just copy
Then
it
the
down.
other one is 6.
Okay, then we start cancelling. What do we cancel it by?
5.
So what does that give you as an answer?
11:4 ratio.
Finished. So you want to find a unit that you can change them both into, and then you can start cancelling once the units are the same. So let's have a go at some of these questions. So we've only got 2 pages. This is not Yeah, 2 pages, not 4 pages. So I think we should have a go at, should we have a go at this? Let's everybody have a go at the second page, because we've got some bit more exciting questions on there. So I'm just going to pause the video now and then come back to the video after we've tried the questions. Okay, folks, welcome back. So these are the answers that you should have got if you've done the questions. So £2.80, we changed it into 280 pence. Then we divided both sides by 10, knocked the zeros. Then we divided it by 7, so we get 4:5. Okay, next one, we have £3. We turn that into pence by multiplying by 100, that gives you 300 pence to 30 pence. We divided by 10 first, knock the zeros off. Then we divided it by 3, so we end up with 10:1. 5.5 centimeters, we change into millimeters. And then we divided them by 5, that gives you 11:4. 3 kilograms to 300 grams, that was 3,000 grams to 300 grams, cancel, 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 divide by 10, divide by 10, divide by 10, divide by 10 again. That's the same as divided by 100, Aisha. So then we get, we're left with 10:1. Okay, if you divide by 10 twice, the same as dividing by 100. Next one, 2 kilograms is 2,000 grams, you times it by 1,000. Okay, I forgot to write it in. And then you cancel, cancel, divide by 100 on both sides. Then you divide by 5 on both sides, and that gives you 4:1. And the next one, you change the hours into minutes by times by 60. Then you divide it by 10. Then you divide it by 3, and you finished. So times by 60, divided by 10, and then divided by 3. And we've done the same here. 2 hours. I don't know why I've written down there time by 6. Well, time by 60. Pardon me. Gives you 120. 45 divided by 5 gives you 24:9. Okay, that's all finished, folks. Welcome. Thank you. Sorry, thank you. And goodbye. See you in the next video, inshallah. Okay, folks. Bye-bye.